Downloading and uploading essential community providers and network adequacy justification forms. Issuers seeking to offer qualified health plans, or QHPs, including standalone dental plans, or SADPs, on the federally facilitated exchange, must submit a completed QHP application per CMS guidelines. As part of the QHP certification process, issuers are asked to fill out several templates with issuer and plan level data. These templates, along with any supporting documentation submitted, comprise an issuer's QHP application. Among these templates is the Essential Community Provider Network Adequacy, or ECPNA template. Issuers that do not meet one or more elements of the Essential Community Provider, or ECP, or Network Adequacy, or NA, standards will be notified that CMS has identified required QHP application corrections and must submit an ECP and/or NA justification form, which CMS will partially pre-populate and upload to the Plan Management or PM community for issuers to retrieve and complete. Completed ECP and NA justification forms must be uploaded to and submitted within the PM community for CMS review. The Essential Community Providers and Network Adequacy webpage and the Essential Community Providers and Network Adequacy FAQs webpage of the QHP certification website contains additional guidance on completing the ECP and NA justification forms and ECP and NA standards. First, let's walk through downloading ECP and NA justification forms in the PM community. Once logged into the PM community, users will have access to several tabs across the top of their screen, including the ECPNA Justifications tab, where CMS uploads partially pre-populated justification forms for issuers to complete, if applicable. Navigate to the ECPNA Justifications tab. At the top of this tab, you can choose to view ECP or NA justification forms depending on the needed corrections identified by CMS. After making your selection, review the provided instructions. Within the ECPNA Justification tab, there are two sections, the Download Forms section and the Submitted Forms section. The Download Forms section displays all partially pre-populated justification forms uploaded by CMS for the selected justification type. If CMS uploads multiple justification forms throughout the QHP certification process, all justification forms will be displayed here. All records of partially pre-populated justification forms that display in this list include the following information: the issuer ID, the product type, the file name, and the date the file was uploaded by CSIO. To download a partially pre-populated justification form and complete it, click the checkbox next to the desired justification form. To download multiple justification forms, you may click the checkbox next to each individual justification form you wish to download, or select the checkbox to the left of the issuer column header to download all available justification forms uploaded by CMS. After selecting the desired justification forms, click Download Selected. After downloading the selected partially pre-populated justification form, complete all required fields within the justification form and save the file using the correct file conventions. Reference the Essential Community Providers and Network Adequacy webpage of the QHP certification website for additional guidance on completing and saving the ECP and NA justification forms. Now let's walk through uploading completed ECP and NA justification forms in the PM community. Once logged into the PM community, navigate back to the ECPNA Justifications tab. Similar to when you download justification forms, you can choose to view ECP or NA justification forms, depending on which justification form you need to upload. After making your selection, review the provided instructions. The Download Form section includes all records of partially pre-populated justification forms uploaded by CMS for issuers to complete. In the Actions column, click Upload Justification for the record that corresponds to the completed justification form you would like to upload. Reference the file name to confirm you are uploading your completed justification form to the correct record. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to attach the completed justification form. Click Upload Files and locate the completed justification form, or drag and drop the file into the pop-up. A progress bar will display. When the upload is complete, a green check mark will appear to the right of the progress bar. Click Done. A green bar will appear at the top of your screen, indicating the submission was successful. This pop-up also provides the justification form record ID and reminds you to continue to monitor the Corrections tab for additional corrections identified by CMS. To view all submitted justification forms, navigate to the Submitted Forms section of the ECPNA Justifications tab. All records of submitted, completed justification forms that display in this list include the following information: the justification ID, the issuer ID, the product type, the date last submitted, and the status. Click the Justification ID to navigate to the Justification Form Record page. The Justification Form Record includes details about the submitted justification form and allows you to download the submitted completed justification form in the Files section. If you need to submit another completed justification form for the same record, or if you realize you submitted the incorrect file, you can return to the Download Form section of the ECPNA Justifications tab and upload another completed justification form to the same record. All uploaded files for a single record will display on the Justification Form Record page in the Files section. Keep in mind that CMS will only review the most recently submitted file. If you have questions regarding your QHP application, please contact the Marketplace Service Desk at cms_feps@cms.hhs.gov or 855-CMS-1515. For more information about the QHP certification process, visit www.qhpcertification.cms.gov.